Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram accounts to your favorites list and then filter your feed by only seeing those that you've added. Instagram has recently given us a couple of options on how to view our main feed page. They now allow us to add any profile that we want to a favorites list and then see the new feed that only shows the accounts that we've added. Before we start, make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest release by heading to the App Store, search for Instagram, and then seeing if there's an update. If it says open, then you're already updated. Once you've confirmed, open Instagram. Looking here at our main feed, you see that there's a drop-down arrow next to the Instagram title at the top. Tap that. A drop-down will appear now, asking you if you want to view following or favorites. Following is what we've been used to so far. Choose favorites, and since we're just getting started, you'll get an add favorites page. Choose Add Favorites and you'll get a list of accounts that you actively interact with or like. You can also search at the top for accounts if they don't appear below. If you're good with the list that Instagram automatically builds for you, hit Confirm Favorites at the bottom. You'll then have a pre-built list of favorites. I'm going to exit out of this though and then show you how to manually add a profile. Here I have an account that I want to follow. You do have to make sure that the post is from an actual profile and not an ad to be able to add to favorites. To the right of the profile name, tap the three dots. Now inside of this window, tap Add to Favorites. You'll then get an alert letting you know that your favorites will automatically show up higher in your feed. The profile will now be manually added to your favorites list. Now when I tap the Instagram logo at the top, I can choose favorites and now I have a feed that only includes the favorites that I've added. If it doesn't show up automatically and you get the Add Favorites page, you may have to pull down to refresh your feed. If you want to remove an account from your favorites, again tap the three dots and then choose Remove from Favorites. And that's how you add and filter your Instagram feed by favorites. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.